Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and something you can enjoy every single day. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, everyone. It's so great to be here with you again. Anna, how are you today?
I'm feeling fantastic, David. I had a nice cup of coffee this morning, and I'm ready to talk, teach, and have fun.
That sounds perfect. A good coffee always helps. I had tea this morning, so I'm calm, relaxed, and ready to help our listeners learn English.
Wonderful. And today's topic is super useful, something we all use every day.
Yes, today we're talking about how to talk about the future, especially tomorrow.
That's right. We're going to learn the difference between will and going to.
Ooh, a classic topic and very important.
Very important. And don't worry, everyone. We're going to explain everything step by step with lots of examples, lots of repetition, and even some fun mini role plays.
Yes. So by the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your plans, your dreams, and your future in English confidently.
Exactly. So let's get started.
Let's do it.
First, let's talk about will. Repeat after me. Will.
Will.
Great. We use will for quick decisions, predictions, and things we decide right now.
Yes, right now. Not before, not yesterday, not last week. Right now.
Let's give a simple example. Imagine I'm thirsty.
Oh no, Anna's thirsty.
Yes, I'm very thirsty. So I say, I will drink some water.
That's a decision you made at the moment.
Exactly. I didn't plan it earlier. I just decided now.
So remember, will equals quick decision.
Let's repeat that together. Will is for quick decisions.
One more time. Will is for quick decisions.
Great. Now let's try another example.
Okay.
Imagine your phone is ringing,
Ring, 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 ring.
and you say, I will answer the phone.
Perfect. You decided at that moment.
Yes, not before, right now.
So natural, so easy.
Now let's talk about predictions.
Ah, yes, predictions, when we guess about the future.
For example, I think it will rain tomorrow.
That's a prediction. You're not 100% sure.
Right, maybe it will rain, maybe it won't.
Another example, you will love this movie.
That's a nice one, very positive.
Yes, very encouraging. You will love it.
So remember, we use will for predictions.
Let's repeat. Will is for predictions.
Good job. Now let's move to going to.
Yes, repeat after me. Going to.
We use going to for plans and intentions.
Plans you made before now.
Exactly, not a quick decision, a real plan.
For example, I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow.
That means you already decided.
Maybe yesterday, maybe last week.
Yes, it's a plan.
Another example, I'm going to study English tonight.
That's a great plan.
Yes, very good plan. I like that plan.
Me too. So remember, going to equals plans.
Let's repeat. Going to equals plans.
One more time. Going to equals plans.
Excellent.
Now let's compare will and going to together.
This is very important.
Example number 1.
Let's hear it.
I will call her.
That
Yes, but if I say I'm going to call her.
That means you already planned it.
Exactly. Can you hear the difference?
Small difference, but very important.
Very important.
Let's do a mini role play.
Yay, I love role plays.
Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
Oh no, I forgot my homework.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Nice. You decided at that moment.
Yes, Now another one.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to visit my grandmother.
Perfect. That's a plan.
Yes, I planned it before.
Great job.
Now let's add time expressions.
Ah, yes, very useful.
Words like tomorrow, tonight, next week, next month, and in 2 days.
These make your sentences more natural.
For example, I will start a new book tomorrow.
Nice.
Or, I'm going to watch a movie tonight.
Very natural.
Another one, we will travel next month.
Sounds exciting.
Yes, and I'm going to exercise in 2 days.
Very healthy.
So remember, use time expressions to sound natural.
Let's repeat some together.
Tomorrow,
Tonight.
next week,
Next month.
in 2 days.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's do another fun role play.
Okay, this time I'll be the planner.
And I'll be the spontaneous one.
Perfect.
Let's go.
What are you doing this weekend?
I don't know. Oh, I will go shopping.
That's a quick decision.
Yes, now your turn.
I'm going to visit my parents.
That's a plan.
Yes, I planned it already.
Very nice. Now let's help our listeners talk about their dreams.
Oh, I love this part.
Me too. Dreams are important. For example, I will become a successful person.
That's a strong prediction or promise.
Yes. Or I'm going to start my own business next year.
That sounds like a real plan.
Exactly. So, will can be used for promises and dreams, and going to for real steps and plans.
Let's repeat a useful phrase. I will do my best.
One more time. I will do my best.
Very motivating.
Yes. Another one. I'm going to improve my English.
That's a great goal.
Yes. Everyone listening, you can say that. Say it with us. I'm going to improve my English.
Excellent.
Now let's review everything.
Quick review time.
Will is for quick decisions.
Will is for predictions.
Will is for promises.
Going to is for plans.
Going to is for intentions.
Going to is for things you decided before.
Perfect summary.
Now let's do a final practice.
I'll say a situation and you choose will or going to.
Ready?
Situation 1. You're hungry right now.
I will eat something.
Good. Situation 2. You planned a trip last week.
I'm going to travel.
Excellent. Situation 3. You think it will rain.
It will rain.
Perfect.
You're doing great, everyone.
Yes, really great.
Keep practicing, keep repeating.
Practice every day, little by little.
Remember, small steps, big progress.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly.
Before we go, let's say a few sentences together.
I will study English tomorrow.
I'm going to practice speaking tonight.
I will do my best.
I'm going to reach my goals.
Beautiful.
Very inspiring.
And that's all for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed it.
We hope you learned something new.
And we hope you feel more confident using will and going to.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
We're going to bring more fun lessons.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!